ngithanda ukuthi-ke ngubingelele khona la ku-Big Space. Sengiphinde ngabuya-ke nendaba-ke ithinta ezediski, iy'ndaba-ke nje ezenzeka lapha kwi-PSL. Bafowethu ngiphetheke la indaba yakhe-ke la u-Andile Jali, indaba-ke nje trendayo lapha kwi-social media yakhe u-Andile Jali. So u-Andile Jali-ke bafowethu ade lapha ku-Super Sports la bene-interview khona, and-ke lapha ubonakala-ke eshintshile engasuyeke lo Andile Jali simaziyo, ugeyineke iweight kakhulu, and-ke into esurprisayo ngaye ku-Andile Jali ukuthi-ke uyi-free agent, usadlala-ke ibhola, akaretire-ke ebholeni. So abantu-ke abaningi kade bebabaza ngendlela kageyine ngayo-ke iweight, since-ke abantu abaningi bekade-ke bamgcina, and abanye kade bemncoma besho khona ukuthi-ke kushuthi-ke imali wayiseva kahle, ubukeka-ke healthy, right, even though esamileke lapha ebholeni, kodwa nje ubukeke right, unonophele la, kuyakhombisa ukuthi yonke-ke into ihamba kahle. So isizathu-ke wena mbukeli esenza u-Andile Jali ukuthi-ke trende ingenxa ukuthi-ke u-Andile Jali uprove-ke abantu abaningi wrong. Mangithi-ke uprove-ke abantu abaningi wrong, ngisho lokho indaba yakhe u-Andile Jali-ke if ukhumbula kahle mbukeli uke watrenda-ke kule minyaka esiphuma kuyona, etrenda-ke lapha ngendaba-ke zotshwala, waze wahamba-ke lapha kwi-Sundowns, wakuney'nkinga-ke ze-discipline if ukhumbula kahle, and-ke bekunanama-video-ke betrenda nje lapha kwi-social media, bonakala-ke ephuza utshwala. So abantu-ke abaningi especially ama-fans ebhola bebeyitshela ukuthi-ke hayi izinto-ke izombhedela vele makuhamba-ke isikhathi. Sike sayibona-ke leyo nto eyenzekayo kuma-soccer player amaningi ukuthi-ke bephuze utshwala bengene lapha idakamizweni, and-ke izinto ebabhedele. Kodwa-ke naku Andile Jali ubonakala-ke healthy, izinto-ke zimahambela kahle, and uyaveza impela nanokuthi-ke u-investile. Khona-ke ivideo nje engizokudlalela yona-ke la uyizwele.
Different people in different spaces of the country. To start a farm, you can't just start a farm because of seeing people that Bakali farm. You must have that idea of what you want. So if you have someone that say, we can do this,